Hi, I'm Francesca McMillan. I was a HNC student at Cnoc Soilleir and I'm starting my BA. Today I'm going to be showing you around the studio we have at Cnoc Soilleir.
This is a setup that we use within the course for doing recording as well as mixing and mastering pieces that you'll be doing. We have a MIDI keyboard here, which is quite useful for just doing like overlaying music, so you don't have to go back and forth from the studio for doing pieces. And we also have a bit for controlling the sound here for recording pieces live. In here we have the main recording area, which was very useful throughout the course, as in here I would be doing mainly singing, which was my main instrument for the course. Being in this type of environment on a daily basis really boosted creativity throughout the building. The HNC course gives people a taste of what the music industry is like, such as going over stuff such as the legal aspects, as well as creative aspects of the music industry. We would love for you to sign up and join us here.